Tonja.
Hả?
Tonja. Chap.
Tonja.
Chap.
Jabber. Jabber.
Gadha.
Gara.
Aina.
Aina.
Good day. You are Sindhi. Good.
What's mean?
Means you are pretty, not your face is very beautiful.
你才是傻逼
Akkamasi. You love you Sangat, यार थोड़ो support भी क्यों यार. Play again. I will upload this video in Facebook page, YouTube,
No,
TikTok.
I don't want you post my video. No.
Why? You are famous in Pakistan.
Why? So, why I'm famous in Pakistan? Tell me.
My profile, my pages, my Facebook pages, my YouTubes, my TikToks, all my fans watch you and my video. Interesting video.
Hello, Pakistan. Thank you.
And say, Ma. Wadi. Nibhagi. Aya. Good. Very nice message for Pakistan.
Okay, I don't want to say it because it's so funny. So I.
Oh, nice. Play. Oh, did Mondra play kar.
Okay, one match.
Okay, this is last match and
I need a rest.
Yeah. You sleep.
Okay. Yes. Okay, don't teach me that language. People have a friend, have a master.
I have my fan.
And I said, welcome, you're into Muslim. I said, I don't understand. I don't join.
वो कच्चे महीने जी पैदा थियल गाल त बुध न 7 महीननि में पैदा थींदा हो जा कहर पैसे.
Okay, Mashooque, you listen me.
Yeah.
I teach you, okay? I teach you Chinese, okay? You follow me.
No. This is my videos and I upload in a Facebook. Then you speak in Sindhi because my followers is a Sindhi. And you, my followers is a very interesting video and you are very entertainment in my followers. You know, very liked my followers. And you, my queen. What is your name? My queen.
We got you king.
कोई धूड़ जी बाजे को भी आई. Now say this. You know. Love you the Imdad.
So I will not talk. I will not say.
Wait. Our famous singer Jalal Chandyo. अरे बुद्ध तो सही किरड़ी मोहन रहा. Our Sindh famous singer Jalal Chandyo.
I'm not famous Chinese, but you don't want to learn. You don't want. I want to teach you. You don't want.
भागी तू गाल तो बुद्ध न. Jalal Chandyo. Oh Allah. बुद्ध हो किरड़ी. इन्हें भागी वाह आज मुझे फांसा चढ़ गया इन्हें यार. बुद्ध तो सही चिबरी. देश मोहने मोह तो न्यूज़ सब फाथा हुआ. यूसुफ भाई वेलकम. हाँ यार खिलो इमदाद मांग के चरियो क्यों तुझसे अरे बुद्धो नी भागी now sing with me speak in a Sindhi okay
No, why? I don't want to say. I don't want to say now.
मोंजो नालो खैर मुबारक अदा खे मोंजो नालो यार only one match please speak in Sindhi
But I don't know what to mean. I can't say. It's not good.
That's you know you are my friend and I will never wrong word with you because my people is love with me and I how can I do with you a wrong word no nothing this is good word and good message for our country
No,
for
because when you teach me, you will laughing. Good language. You said good. I'm look like stupid. It's okay. You will teach another lady, another girls, another.
no
Another.
ud मां तेज गला न कुरान पाड़ पटे तेज गला मां ए बकरी वांगुर गदा वारी हिंग थी मां
Mama.
गडह
Waterfall.
खाईंदी आहियां खाईंदी आहियां
later. Okay, bye. See you next time. Bye.
खाईंदी
I
आहियां
go to sleep. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.